Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is update number 89 of the Wealthsimple TFSA Trade Portfolio Challenge. I can't believe we've done 89 updates on the portfolio now. Portfolio, if you've been following along the channel, you know the market is, it's not great out there, but we're continuing on taking slow and steady deposits into the TFSA account. Now today, I haven't made any really new deposits other than I did receive a dividend from BTC.Y. If you were watching the live stream this morning, you do know that that came in. So if you have BTC.Y in your portfolio, go have a look. But what I did is I did a fractional share purchase. So what I'm starting to do now is roll the dividends into a fractional purchase whenever I'm able to, if that share or ETF is available in fractional trading, just to kind of keep those dividends, keep the portfolio working for me. As you'll see going forward here, portfolio is down, so if you're watching this, wondering how your portfolio is doing, compared to other people, it is down across the board. And I think no matter what you're invested in right now, it's a tough time. So we're going to be sticking with the plan, going long term, and we're not going to be sweating anything right now. We're just going to continue doing our small deposits. The goal, obviously, of the TFSA, as you know, trying to grow it up to $100,000. So without further ado, let's get in the portfolio and to show you how we're doing. All right, here we are in the TFSA. As you can see, past day we are down. We'll go through to show how the stocks performed today. As I said, no new deposits into the TFSA other than that fractional purchase for VDY. So we'll just go through. So balance is zero. That's all been rolled into the new fractional purchase, which is nice. This one really took a hit though. BEP.UN. Now I wish I had some extra funds available to make a purchase on this. Down 3.16% on the day. Now they're doing some things. If you've been following the news on this, BEP is looking to buy some nuclear power companies. So that was maybe affecting some of the news. Maybe some people weren't too happy about them getting into nuclear power. We'll see. But we're unfortunately down 15.4% all time on that. But the share price is looking good. I do want to try. I have to look at the budget a little bit, but I do want to try and grab some more of these before it. I think this one will be going back up again. So if you're watching that one, might be a time. BTC.Y up 2% today. Happy about that. Our average cost, we're still down on this, but our average cost actually is okay because Bitcoin can make some big moves when it decides to want to move. Our average price is $4.32 and it's trading right now at $3.06. So not too worried about that one. And again, that one does pay the regular dividends coming through monthly, which is nice. CMC will always, as always, we skip over that one. You know the story if you've been watching the channel. ETC, this one as well, up a little bit today, 0.64%. Of all cryptocurrencies, that's the ETF that holds Bitcoin and Ethereum. That being said, it does not pay any yield or dividends. And average price $12.82, so we're down quite substantially on this one, 63.27%. But we're hanging on there. We'll keep adding to this one slowly, but I have been building up the BTC.Y position for those dividends right now. Greenlane Renewables down 1.56%. This is the one that's a little bit of a gamble of a growth stock. We'll see how this one does over the long term. I have kind of met my share goal for that, but if I see some opportunity with some extra funds, I will definitely be adding to that position as well. REI.UN, that's the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. It seems like all the REITs are getting hit right now, much like everything. So we are actually down 11.82%, but up a little bit today, 0.66% on our 26 shares. So keep on rolling with that one as well. TransAlta Renewables down 2.36%. You can see TransAlta going down today, and also with BEP.UN. Not a good day for the renewable sector by any means. We're down 33.04% on that. That being said, dividend hasn't changed on this one. I'll keep adding to this portfolio, and hopefully we can get a bit of growth going forward in the years to come on TransAlta Renewables. Solar Alliance Energy, this one again, that's kind of a little bit of a more of a gamble growth stock play. We'll see how that one pans out. No plans to purchase anymore at this time. We'll just see how that one goes. The next one here, Slate Office REIT Real Estate Investment Trust, down 0.23% today, and as you can see, we're down 15.83%. So it's not getting, there's really nowhere to be safe right now. As you can see, our average price $5.04 and trading at $4.28. It always kind of seems to hover around the $5 to $4-ish mark. So regular monthly dividends on that one as well. So we'll keep rolling into that as those dividends come through. We'll keep adding to that position as well. for Slate Office REIT. Telus channel favorite, down 1% today. I'm going to guarantee there's probably some people watching, the regulars of the channel, probably purchased Telus today. If you purchased any Telus, let me know in the comments below. It is a channel favorite. I'm sure somebody somewhere has probably picked that up today at a bit of a discount. We're down 5.57%, not bad considering the whole portfolio on our 18.2973 shares. So as you can see, we're starting to get the fractional shares of Telus as well. VDY, this is the purchase actually that I made today, down 0.23%, not too bad today. Down in general on my average price was $41.09. We're down 4.94%, so happy about that. Happy to be only down 5% on an investment, believe me. And we do own 68.3529 shares. The 0.3529 were added today from the dividend that was received. If we go down here to the transaction, you can see I did a fractional buy for $13.81. The dividend that came through was for $13.66, if I remember correctly, but there was a little bit of change left in the TFSA, so I just put it all into the fractional shares. And the last ETF, VFV, Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, it's down actually a little bit today. Usually you can see from the chart there a seesaw day, right? If you've been watching things, down 0.05% on the day, but we're down 10.22% on our 33.1187 shares. We've had fractional shares purchased with this one as well, with the dividend that was received. So happy about that one too. We'll keep adding to that position as well. But let's just go through here at the very top. We scroll up and we can see we were down 0.5% on the day. So that's basically flat. So I think that's, with the way that things were going, as you can see, up and down all day, kind of good to hit, you know, roughly even for the day. But if we go back to the week, we're down 5.25% on the week. On the month, down 8.91%, and 3 months down 4.74%. And here we go back into the all-time in 1 year. 1 year we're down 20.05%, and if we go to all-time, it's 20.21%. So basically, portfolio is down 20%. Some risky stocks in there, obviously, with the cryptocurrency in there. That's obviously causing some drops on our you know, bottom dollar here. So we're down total 20%, $2,472.57. We're down, we're below that kind of psychological $10,000 mark with the drops in the past, you know, in the past week, which is unfortunate. But hey, that's the market, and I think we'll just carry on. No plans on changing any of the positions in my portfolio at this time. Not planning on selling anything at a loss, that's for sure. We'll just carry on through, and I haven't really decided on any new positions that I've been wanting to add at this point. Just carrying on with the stocks and ETFs that I do have holdings of right now. So just a quick update, see how things are going. Obviously not the greatest out there. You know, we're going to be in, we've been saying it for a while. I think I'm starting to maybe sound like a bit of a broken record. I think we're going to be in this, you know, in these positions for a while now. Just slow and steady, I think, is going to win the race. We're going to dollar cost average and just keep our small deposits going into the TFSA and build hopefully up to $100,000 sooner rather than later, as always. But thanks for watching, everybody. Do really appreciate everybody that's been following along. Got a lot of new subscribers on the channel, so if you are new to the channel, this is the first video you're watching, thank you. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Like I always say, subscribing is free. It'd be great to have you join along. We're also starting to do regular live streams on the channel, and if they do go live, I do recommend you turn on the notification bell. You'll get notified when I post the live video to be able to join in. We typically go on live weekdays when the market's open at between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock Pacific time. I'm on the West Coast, so it'd be great to have you join along. Even if you can just pop in and say hi, it's always appreciated. We've got a good conversation going with everybody that is joining up, some of the regulars we see every day, so it's great. Thanks, I appreciate it. Until the next video, just take care out there. Happy investing, hopefully, and take care, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.